In India, science for UPSC, VPSC, and other competitive exams. First hydroelectric plant, Sidrapong, Darjeeling. First man in space, Rakesh Sharma. First nuclear reactor, Apsara, in Maharashtra. First satellite, Aryabhatta. First successfully indigenous launch vehicle, SLV-3. First genetically modified food product in India, beet Egyptian hybrid banded. First satellite Earth station for domestic communication, Secunderabad. First India to get Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Ramana. First in India, governance. First President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Vice President of India, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. First President of India, Indian National Congress, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. First Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. First Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sukumar Sen. First Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. First Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck. First Chief Justice of India, H.J. Kania. First Speaker of Lok Sabha, G.V. Mahavankar. First Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Chairperson of Lokpal of India, Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. First in India for defense. First Defence Minister of India, Baldev Singh Chokar. First Commander-in-Chief of Indian Free India, Kondera Madappa Chedippa. First Commander-in-Chief, Indian Air Force, Subroto Mukherjee. First Field Marshal, Sam Manekshaw. First Paramveer Chakra winner, Major Somnath Sharma. Major Somnath Sharma. First female Jawan in the Indian Army, Shanti Tikka. First Indian woman to fly fighter aircraft without co-pilot, Indian Air Force officer, Avani Chaturvedi. First consummate squad leader, Rakesh Sharma. First woman in the Indian Army awarded the coveted Sword of Honor Prize, Divya Ajit Kumar. First in India sports. First Olympic team medal, gold in field hockey, since 1928 Summer Olympic. First Indian woman weightlifter to win a Asian gold medal, Navjot Kaur. First Indian woman badminton player to win an Asian Games medal, Saina Nehwal. First Indian woman to win a medal at Asian Games, Santi Soundarajan. First person to win the international bronze medal in skiing, Anchal Thakur. First woman to win an Olympic silver medal, PV Sindhu in badminton. First female to represent India at the Summer Olympic, Nora Pauly, 1924 Summer Olympics. First individual gold medal won by Avinav Bindra since 2008 Summer Olympic in Beijing. First woman to win a medal in weightlifting, Sakshi Malik won bronze in 2016 Summer Olympics. First in India, architecture. First temple constructed from a single rock, Kailasa Temple at Ellora. First church in India at Thomas Church, St. Thomas Church, Playor. First mosque in India, Chiraman Jama Masjid in Mehtala. First dam in India, Kalani Dam. First Indian temple with many interconnected structures, Bindheswara Temple, Tamil Nadu. List of first in India, frequently asked. First British to visit India, Thomas Roe. First Chinese pilgrims to visit India, Huanshan Faiyan. First India to reach Antarctica, Lieutenant Ramachandra. First judge in International Court of Justice, Dr. Nagendra Singh. First Muslim President of the Indian National Congress, Badruddin Tayyibji. First post officer opened in Indian Kolkata, 1727. First wax statue of a living Indian Mahatma Gandhi at Medini Tawhid in 1939. India's first Lok Sabha member to be elected with a record maximum number of votes, P.V. Narasimha Rao. India's first Open University, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. India's first university, Nalanda University. The first speaker to the Lok Sabha, Ganesh Vasudeva Mahawalankar. The first and the last Muslim woman ruler of India, Razia Sultan. The first and the last Indian to be Governor General of Free India, C. Rajgopalachari. The first British Governor General of Bengal, Lord Warren Hastings, since 1774 to 1885. The first British Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck, 1833 to 1835. The first Chief Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Justice Hiralal J. Kania. The first Chief of Army Staff, General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. The first Education Minister, Abdul Kalam Azad. The first Indian pilot, J.R.D. Tata, since 1929. The first Indian to cross English Channel, Mihir Sen. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. The first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services, Satyendra Nath Tagore. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Dr. Radhakrishna.